Hey guys, we're back for the Charlie channel, but it's Junior and we're gonna go bowling. Alright, let's go do it. Hit the subscribe button and let's do this. Hey guys, we're at the bowling place now. Now all we do is gotta start it, and we brought some friends like Charlie and Yeti. Alright, let's get started.
Alright, Junior, are you ready to bowl?
Yep, let's do this.
Alright, let's go.
Let's do this.
Wow.
Let's see where it goes.
Do you think it's going to score a major strike?
I have no idea.
It's moving a little slow. Whoa. Junior, great job.
Thank you. Let's see Yeti.
Yeti, are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Alright, let's see it.
Let's see if we can get that. Come on, let's do it.
Uh-oh, it's not looking good. Oh, almost.
Let's do it. We got it.
Charlie and Isla, are you going bowling together?
Yep, let's see it.
Alright, let's go. Whoa. Wow. Another classic.
I know. I'll do the next one.
Okay.